Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Hey, what are you doing? Don't ever do that again.
Come here. Come here. You gonna take a bath?
He's like laughing because we're all laughing with him back. She's taking it.
I love the way you hold your feet. That's really weird.
I already put the bread up. No bread for you, you little bread thief. Get out of the grocery. Get out of the...
Tank. Tank.
Come on, let's show the people that we have a nice, loving relationship. Ow. Love you.
Something doesn't feel right. Sorry. Looks like this is it for me.
No, you stop. That's my food.
Surprise box and let me go.
Slap your dog's bum and see what they do.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's dead.
Got any plans, B-Mans? Good one.
Прости, мой старый друг. Я должен разбудить тебя.
He's sniffing them.
Oh my god. And out of cat crack. Bye, darn. Bye, darn. Ooh.
Up. No, up. God, it up. Oh my god.
Did you get it?
東方丈介、お前はこの二重ら奥安のザ・ハンドが消す。
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, close the door. Close the door.
Diesel, this way. Come on. Oh, that's a sin.
Why was there bacon in the soup?
Yo, I don't want to flex on you guys, but let me just show you some real shit right now. Either you agree or you don't, but you just gotta understand he do it like that, and he's gonna stay doing it like that.
I made a mistake. I put my Apple Pen down on a blanket and it evaporated.
No!
Olive, come here. Come here, baby.
Персик. 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 I'm coming into the bedroom. I hope there's nobody posing seductively on my bed. Oh my god.
Bark at your cat, then meow and see their reaction.
She can't see.
Oh!
Oh, watch. Watch.
You're crazy.
No.
Mimi. Sure.
Hey.
Where are you going?
The ghost dog. Oh my gosh. Take your blanket off your head.
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
All right, people, I think it is time for a loaf check. Oh my goodness, we've got no tail, not a single paw visible. I think that's a 10 out of 10 loaf.
Yeah, and can I also have the pumpkin loaf?
I'm so sorry, we're actually all out of our loaves this morning.
Okay, perfect.
Come on. Come on.
What the?
I'm losing my mind. I just looked over at my cat. I just look over and she's laying there like this, just staring at me. Gracie, what are you doing?
How you feeling, squirrel?
I love you.
Yeah, cool. I love you too.
I want to stay with you in your room, in your bed.
Okay, well, that's not gonna happen. Anyway.
I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first, Lucius.
I promise you.
I'm sorry, look at Coco. Hopefully she doesn't.
What's going on? You want some of this? You.
Result
that is she. Okay, Ethan. Okay, nice cat. I'll check you in.
Stop being so nice and show them how crazy you are. I don't want to act.
Do it. Yay, good job. Do another one. Oh yeah, cartwheels. What can you do? Nothing? Okay.
I left the island 2 years.
Oh, a couple little trick-or-treaters out here. It's a little early for Halloween, but your costumes are so cute. Trick-or-treat. 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 Oh, this little guy's a little shy.
Oh, go to your... Daniel, go to your room. You don't jump.
Time for bed. Time for bed. It's time for bed. Go in. Go bed. Come on. Sienna, come on. Bedtime. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, Teddy. Time for bed. Go on. Good job. You have bedtime.
Did you see that? That was my dog. Okay.
Alright. Let me think it through.
Let me think it through. So it's a Friday. I don't know what to tell you.
You just have such a squishable, grabbable head. Love you.
My belly is rumbling. I hunger, Mother. I hunger. Why do you starve me?
Uh-oh. Looks like somebody's in trouble. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Pablo. You're too fast. Run, Pablo. It's a free-for-all. Oh, they all made it back. Good.
Whoa, wait, yo!
Oh my god.
You're gonna do it this time.
Oh my god.
Survive on the log. You got it. Fight for your place on the log.
He's gonna push him off.
He's gonna do it. He's gonna push him off.
Oh
He's
my
holding on
god.
by one arm.
Beat him up. Oh my god. Take your place.
Fight. You're so strong. You're so strong.
Come on, get on.
Lumi, come here. Oh.
Are you kidding me right now? I seen ya.
You're so slow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, you're awake. Well, your teeth are finished, and your gums should be here by the end of the
Where's
week.
my dick at?
Yep, sometimes I gotta beat the ladies off with a stick. Back, woman! Back us!
So, sorry if this is the wrong time, but I need a shite.
I'm a baby kitty and I gave my mommy a whisker. I took out over there, boink. Meow. 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 Meow.
Yo, kitty Tweety over here, going deep. Hey, 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 right here. Get it. Oh!
Why are you up?
I gotta go to the bathroom real bad with spicy diarrhea.
I love you.
Yeah, cool. I love you too.
I want to stay with you in your room, in your bed.
Okay, well, that's not gonna happen.
Oh my God. Tell me you're in Turkey without saying you're in Turkey.
Hello, baby.
What are you doing, weirdo?
This year I'm getting my Christmas presents done early. Mother will love this gift, I'm sure. Hop out of the way, I'm coming in.
No.
Well, I feel like that wasn't appreciated at all.
This is my brand new $30 silk face mask. How did this happen, you ask?
This is the face of someone who just ate paint off of my wall. Jerry!
Alright, I'm done. Let go. No. No pouting. I'm gonna let go. Okay.
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold on.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Wait.
Oh.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
A treat? Come here, a treat. Come on. Go get a treat, Winston. Go get a treat. Come on. Go get a treat. Let's go. Go. Come on, Poopy. Come on, little guy. Oh! Oh! Well, that was an utmost failure.
ジョウスケ、お前はこの20ら億安のザ・ハンドが消す。
Let's go right on with the plan and what block I do can eat. Look at all the robot. Let's go eat.
Hello? Can you get off the salt lamp, please? No. Don't get more on the salt lamp. Get off the salt lamp. Why are you on the salt lamp? Oh my god.